Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's Mr.BuyTheDip back here with another video. What a day, what a great time to be an investor in the stock market. And I am just, I got a lot of things to cover. I got to talk about consistency. I got to talk about how this portfolio, right? A lot of people are losing money right now, but how these times could change your life, okay? I mean it when I'm saying this, right? Some of these opportunities that Nvidia is at 108, 112, right? And buying at these levels can change your life. And I'm going to explain that today. You see Walmart under $91 again. This is the time where you buy, right? There's no other perfect time than this era, this time frame right now, okay? Watch this if you're a CashApp or investor, right? What is the main problem with stocks right now? Is it fear or is it uncertainty? I would say it's both. Every time there is a big major loss in the stock market, right? What causes it? You guys have to realize there was uncertainty with Nvidia when DeepSeek AI came out. If you don't know what DeepSeek AI is, it is quote unquote Nvidia's competitor from China, something that was made at a fairly cheaper price, okay? What happened to the stock, okay? Boom, goes down, right? It was uncertainty. People were unsure if Nvidia was a stock anymore, right? They were fearful that DeepSeek is going to take over. Nvidia is not going to be the golden competitor anymore, right? And they started selling. They didn't want to be in the stock anymore, right? And that's what happens when the market is fearful. Okay, right now, again, same thing happening. Why is this happening? Well, investors are fearful that tariffs will cause business to be in a steep downhill. Okay, so when I say this, I want to speak about numbers. If you don't know what tariffs are, just walk through this, okay? Kind of go through what I'm saying, and I'll explain what tariffs is deeply towards the end of the video, okay? Numbers. So as of February 27th, Nvidia was at $134. I want you guys to look at this, okay? February 27th, right at this squeeze up, okay? Nvidia was at 34. So it went up to 30, right? And it went up to 34 right here, okay? We saw that move up to 140. So what I'm trying to say is we saw 134, 135 around February, right? Currently, Nvidia is at $110, and it even dipped lower to 108 today, okay? When I made this video, okay, it was around 10 a.m., 11 a.m., and we go all the way down to $108. Now, okay, buy, hold, or sell. In my opinion, how Nvidia recovered from DeepSeek AI, this will recover as well. There is no way that Nvidia is going to dump all the way back down to $70, $80, not going to be worth it anymore, no. Okay, I'm a firm believer the stock will recover. What happened with DeepSeek AI, okay? That news was crazier than Trump's news, in my opinion, okay? That is specifically another competitor saying that we are better than you. China is saying we are better than Nvidia, right? So if Nvidia can recover from that, Trump announcing tariffs is more of a broader approach, right? So it'll definitely recover, in my opinion, okay? Now, one reason why Nvidia recovered faster from DeepSeek AI dip was because they had earnings coming up. I want you guys to realize this. Earnings was 226. February 26th was earnings for Nvidia, okay? Now, Nvidia has they have a history of going down after earnings, right? So I want you to see something. They rally up towards earnings. February, a lot of people had eyes on Nvidia. Why? They had earnings month, okay? So when a company has earnings in a month, 2 weeks to a week to 5 days to 4 days, people are going to start buying. People are going to look, they're going to get on their spreadsheets, they're going to look at some notes, they're going to look at their price points, and they're going to say, this company has been doing good so far. I believe, I'm predicting, okay, I'm precisely predicting that this company is going to do well. That's what people did. They bought more Nvidia, and it kept pumping up from the DeepSeek, right? From the DeepSeek pushback down. Okay, that's one of the reasons why Nvidia recovered, okay? So it went from 116 to 130, 134, even 140, right, in February. Okay, the current situation, it's $110, 108, right? So how does Trump tariffs make a change in the stock market? I want you to realize that within a week, we were doing well on the month, right? We see it move down to 114, but we seem like we can't recover back up. Right? how does Trump make tariffs, the tariff announcement, how does this make a change in the stock market? Well, the S&P 500, first of all, this ETF is in my portfolio, and it has declined 4.3% since Trump officially took office. Okay, now, calculations could be right, they could be wrong, and I'm down 3% on my portfolio, and I invested, okay, start of the year, right? I would say a little bit before start of the year, December 27th, 2024. So towards the end of 2024, start of the year, okay? And I'm down 3.15% right now. I want you to realize this is an ETF that tracks some of the top companies in the U.S. stock market right now. And if this is down, what should you be doing? Should you be buying? Yes. Companies recover over time. Give it time. Are people not going to go to Walmart? Is that what you're telling me? Oh, you're crazy. Are people not going to buy GPUs from Nvidia? Oh, you're crazy. Are people not going to use the proficient AI sector of Nvidia? Oh, you're kidding me. If you don't think Meta, Apple, if you don't think Microsoft is going to be using Nvidia's AI chips, you're crazy if you think they're not, right? The business is going to recover, right? These prices are going to be golden within 2 to 4 years. I can guarantee you, you're right. But the thing is, a recent market downturn was triggered by Trump's decision to exempt goods from Canada and Mexico, okay, from tariffs 25%, adding to prevailing uncertainty. Like I said, uncertainty. The stock market and the people are fearful and uncertain on how moves on Canada, Mexico is gonna be with the U.S. Okay, so when that happens, you have to be on your P's and Q's. You have to be able to, look at your portfolio and say, okay, today's a down day. I want to buy some more, right? Because I believe this company is going to recover. So in my opinion, is Walmart going to recover? Yes. Is Nvidia going to recover? Yes. S&P 500 is going to recover? Definitely. I see this going to 640 by the end of the year. Okay, so what should you do? Be patient and buy small rallies back up, or buy dips. Don't buy a falling knife. We talked about this before. If you see a major push down, don't buy, okay? I want you guys to see a rally at buy Nvidia at 120, 125. That's the perfect time to buy, okay? What even is a tariff? Now, taxes imposed by government on imported goods. So let's say goods from China coming in, they're going to be taxed more than regular. So let's say I'm Walmart and I'm buying goods from China. The tariff tax is going to be, instead of $50, $100. Okay, so basically what that means, a simplified version, is designed to raise prices for foreign products in specific and making them less competitive compared to domestic goods. Okay, so what are domestic goods? Products that are within the country's own borders. So domestically, as a nation, right, we have businesses that order products from different countries. Simply, if you're a business that heavily relies on China's products, you're going to be at a disadvantage. You're not going to like this change. But over time, things could change. Different countries can offer you things. China could say, okay, well, we're going to offer you 2 times the products if you lower your prices, right? Because U.S. currency is more than China's currency, right? There's a lot of stuff that can go within these next 2 to 4 months, 2 to 4 years of Trump's presidency, and a lot of things moving. So don't look at this as a trap, right? Look at this as an opportunity. We grow as a team and we make money as a team. Mr. Buy the Dip is out. That was my evaluation, and talking about Trump's tariffs and how you can use this as a time to buy and not just sit around and watch other people buy and load up their portfolios. Thank you for watching. Mr. Buy the Dip is out.